All right. Okay. So we're here again to simplify statistics using Microsoft Excel. Okay. So our example for today will be more on the large sample confidence interval for mean 1 and mean 2. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? So we are estimating the difference between the two means, okay, versus the mean 1 and the mean 2. And we have here a problem, okay. You may opt to post your screen and then you read this problem. It's just comparing the prices of Japan cars. Let's say Toyota, they're selling it in Japan versus they're selling it on US. Okay, so they are the economist here is saying that um, it is comparing the prices, and he hunches that the pricing in US is lesser than the price for Japan. Okay, so here are the data. Okay, so this is the USA sales and the Japan sales. Okay, so first uh, we need to align the data because it is in a row state. Okay, delimit and space and then okay. So there one and this one also data delimit space finish. Okay. Okay. Now we have the data. Okay. So and then we have here the sample mean. Okay. I just have to connect the what we derived from here to here. Okay, so first we just need a sample mean and a standard deviation, only the two of that. Okay, so here is the sample mean. Okay, okay, that's the average, and this one is we'll use std.dev.s because this is sample data. Okay, we need to delete this one here. You just have to copy this formula here and let's check if it's still okay. Okay, all right, all right, okay. So this is the sample mean. Okay, and this is the sample uh, this one. Okay, 27, 57. Okay, so we have here sample standard deviation. This is the standard deviation. Okay, and this one also, this is the standard deviation. This is the Japan. This is US. Okay, so um, Let's now check the difference. Okay, so it's this one versus this one. Okay, it's negative 604. Okay, so we'll make this one as, we'll have to multiply this one by 10, by 100, because this is expressed in thousands. Okay, okay. I mean, this is expressed in thousands. Sorry, sorry. Okay, this is expressed in thousands. Let's change this one to general. Okay, so this one here are just expressed in uh, 28.2, but the true price here is, this is around 20 to 20 by thousand of dollars. So, for example, this one 28. This is equivalent to this one 28,000, 28,200 dollars. That's the prices. Okay, so we just converted it to thousands of dollars. Okay, and the difference of that is 640. Okay, so we'll now get the difference between the mean. Okay, that's the difference. So the difference is, we'll use the alpha of 0.05, and then we multiply it by we multiply it. I mean, yeah, multiply it by square root of this one. No, no, standard deviation. Right, the standard deviation. Okay, so the standard deviation must also be equal to 1000. Okay, okay. So this one alpha multiplied by the square root of uh, this one raised to the second power, and then multiplied by this one. Okay, plus this one again raised to the second power multiplied by this one again. Okay, so that's this is the standard the confidence interval. Okay, so now that we have this confidence interval, okay, we will now figure out what's the upper limit. Okay, so we have negative 640. Since this is positive and then negative, first we will use the positive. Okay, uh, lower limit. Okay, that's the lower limit, and this is the upper limit. Okay, so now we can determine that the prices of the difference in price versus US and US prices and Japan prices in terms of cars is around $1,415, negative $1,415 to $135. Okay, So since this is not purely negative to negative and positive to positive, we cannot conclude that the difference is negative or that the difference is positive. Okay, so I think I've already have discussed all of the things. By the way, this is not forgot to um, this table here is not related to you. Okay, this is from the past activity that we have. Okay, so this is the difference. So the answer is the difference between these two prices here. Okay, this two data here is this one from negative 114, negative $1,415 to $135. Okay, and if you have questions, you can just post it in the videos below. Okay, I'll see you again with my next video.